we have a potentially big day that I'm very excited about. Right now, it's just the usual, we're heading to work, but after this, might not be going to the gym. I might be getting a brand new computer out further west, going to a Micro Center. So, I'll update you once I get out of work. We're gonna try and grind through everything, hopefully get out early, and then we're gonna head out to Micro Center and hopefully get this brand new PC and set it up today. So we'll go from there. I'll let you know when I'm out of work.
Stoicism, we must never forget, was not merely a tool for resilience and determination. It was resilience and determination in pursuit of what was right.
All right, just got out of work. We finished early. We are heading to get the PC right now. So I'm hyped. I haven't had a new PC since 2016, so it's been almost 10 years. And this one is, my last one had an i5 in it and a 1060. This one's got an i9 processor and a 5070. So this is a whole new, this is an upgrade within an upgrade for me. So I'll probably start recording again once I get to Micro Center, and then we'll go from there. All right, I'm back from Micro Center, and PC has been received. I'm gonna go ahead and get this unboxed. I'll probably do a time lapse for the unboxing process, but then after that I'll go over it, and then it's probably gonna be the end of the vlog today. So yeah, we'll check it out inside. I already got a mouse and keyboard, but they gave me one. So, free mouse and keyboard. It's good stuff. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but this is a big box. Here we go. Looks good. Right now I'm gonna get it set up on the desk, and then once I got it set up, I'll show you from there what we got going on. So it wasn't a very eventful vlog today, but I'm gonna end it there. I got the new PC. I'm gonna spend some time hooking it up, setting everything up, and then next vlog will be on Wednesday. So I'll see you then. Peace.